back to BJ English News, where we bring you the latest headlines.
BJP alleges JMM Congress violence post-election. The BJP accused JMM and Congress supporters of instigating violence following their electoral win in Jharkhand. BJP acting state president Ravindra Rai condemned attacks on BJP workers and citizens in Barhet, Rajmahal, Pakur, Baharagora and Jamtara. He warned that continued violence could lead to protest by BJP workers. Rai alleged targeting of BJP members in Hemant Soren's constituency Barhet and unrest in Baharagora. He urged the ruling coalition to respect democratic principles, warning that failure to maintain peace could destabilize the state. Hemant Soren invites PM Modi to swearing-in ceremony. Jharkhand CM Hemant Soren invited Prime Minister Narendra Modi to his November 28 swearing-in ceremony in Ranchi. Accompanied by his wife Kalpana Soren, he described the meeting as a step toward inclusive governance under Abua Sarkar. Leaders like Mamata Banerjee, Arvind Kejriwal and Lalu Prasad Yadav will attend. The JMM Congress RJD coalition's victory with a two-thirds majority marks a significant moment for the India bloc. The event reinforces Soren's political dominance and ushers in a new governance phase. NDA claims credit for caste census. Bihar Minister Ashok Chaudhary dismissed Tejaswi Yadav's claims of spearheading the caste census, crediting it to the NDA under Nitish Kumar's leadership. Vijay Chaudhary stressed the government's commitment to revising reservation policies based on survey results now under judicial review. The caste census, seen as a progressive move, has sparked political disputes over its execution and implications. These debates highlight challenges in implementing caste-based reforms while navigating political and legal constraints. Reservation expansion sparks heated debate. A fiery debate unfolded in the Bihar Assembly over expanding reservation quotas. BJP and JDU leader criticized Tejaswi Yadav's remarks questioning his grasp of constitutional provisions. JDU MLA Sanjeev Kumar highlighted the Mahagathbandhan's agreement on a 65% reservation policy, which now awaits the Supreme Court's decision. Neeraj Kumar accused Yadav of prioritizing personal family interests over broader caste issues. As political tensions rise, the discourse underscores Bihar struggles to balance social justice initiatives with legal frameworks, calling for more constructive dialogue to address these issues. BJP RJD clash over pre-election campaigns. Political campaigns intensify in Bihar as assembly elections approach. Opposition leader Tejaswi Yadav announced a statewide tour while the BJP is launching its outreach initiatives. BJP MLA Pawan Jaiswal criticized Yadav's tour as a candidate search, emphasizing BJP's focus on achievements. JDU spokesperson Neeraj Kumar accused RJD of losing political relevance, advising them to prioritize governance over theatrics. These roadshows aims to capture public sentiment, setting the stage for a fierce electoral battle in the coming months.